Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about box braids. As you can see, I'm using rubber bands for some of them. For the rest, I will be showing you guys how I do box braids without rubber bands. So I just put the gel on and then I twist the hair. That will give you your section kind of mimicking the rubber band method. I'll be using, of course, RASTAFRI Braid Highlight Jumbo. They have the best colors. This hair is perfect for kinky or fine hair. All I did right here was separate the hair like 70-30, and I'm just linking it together to make my 3 legs. You see this? It's even. We don't want it even. Make it uneven right there. Yeah, you want to have your hair stretched out so that way the ends don't come loose once you braid to the end. Now, stop what you're doing. See this? This is the exact braid finger positioning that you want to be holding your braiding hair. This is how I hold it. So rewind it if you want to check that out again. I'm just showing you guys how you're going to place that hair onto the section where you have the box braid, okay? So you see that? I'm just showing you guys. Literally, you're going to land it down onto the center point where that rubber band is. Even if you don't have a rubber band, you will put it where the hair, you know, is twisted, almost like it looks like it has a rubber band. All right, there you go. So you're going to take your pointer finger and your thumb, those two, and you're going to grab your hair. So here we go. Now, grab your hair like this. Now take your pointer finger from the other hand right there and go around. Going around, and we're going to grab that piece of Kanekalon hair right here. Going to grab it. Grab. That's braid movement number 1. Now, your free hand is pulling your real hair and the braiding hair right now just to tighten it a little bit. And then you're going to go underneath, okay? So this will be braid movement number 2 right there. And then this is braid movement number 3 right here. So you just want to keep doing that till you have a nice secure knot. Do it over if you don't feel that is secure, or if the rubber band is showing, or if you feel like your braid is slipping, okay? In this next clip, you're gonna see that I'm doing the same exact thing, but I do not have a rubber band. See, all I'm doing is securing it. Then I'm gonna go under to grab that piece of braiding hair. And then I'm going to take my hand and secure my real hair with that braiding hair just to tighten it a little bit because I do not have a rubber band, and then go under. That was like 3 braid movements already. So just keep doing that until you feel like it's secure, until you feel that you have a nice knot. If it's too tight, girl, you better take that thing down. Your hair is more important and your edges matter, okay? Let's get into the rest of this video. So the next step is to reposition your fingers so that way you can braid the rest of your box braid all the way down. You want to follow these movements. When you're moving one piece in the back, you'll use your middle finger to kind of move that middle piece out the way, just like this. See that? Now, look at the next one. Moving it to the back so you can move the middle piece out the way. Here you go. This is kind of faster, so move it. Use your middle finger to grab. This is essentially what you want to do because you're not going to want to braid how you were before the entire way down. Here you go. This is just a little bit faster. Use that middle finger to grab, to hold, to keep things secure. Once in a while, you're going to use your pointer finger and your thumb to secure, like I am right here. And then just to get things back on track. I hope that you guys found this video tutorial helpful. You know, if there were some steps that you wanted to see that I didn't mention, please comment down below. Look at those ends, girl. You see that? They're nice and uneven. That's what you want to see, because at the end of it all, you want your braid to kind of resemble like a tip, a triangle at the end. So the last step is going to be to dip this hair once you braid it all the way down. It took about 5 hours, maybe 5 to 6 hours, because I took a lot of breaks. It was Christmas Eve, you guys. But I love doing box braids. It's a good style to keep in your hair, especially if you want to keep your fingers out. Oh, and check this out. This right here is dipped and not dipped. I love how vibrant this hair is, you guys. Be sure not to use any oils when you use this particular highlight jumbo because it is a special color blend, okay? I'm out. You guys, stay subscribed, stay channeling the beauty within inside of you.